What's Gucci Boochie, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Damian Lemar Hudson. You already know what it is. You know where I is. You know what the business is. How you feeling today? Well, I woke up today and I checked Twitter and there was this amazing message from this gentleman by the name of Niall. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. He sent me a tweet all the way from Ireland saying, "Hey Damian, quick question. How do you reverse samples on the MPC?" Well, my brother, I will show you right now. This video tutorial is dedicated to you. Okay, so hopefully, my brother out there in Ireland, you already know how to sample. If not, this is how you do it. I know you didn't ask how to sample, but you asked how to flip the sample. But in order to reverse the sample, I have to record a sample first. So today we are recording Lionel Hampton and his Giants. Art Tatum in the house, ladies and gentlemen. You better know about Art Tatum. If you don't, please check out Lionel Hampton. He is a wizard of the vibes, if you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully YouTube doesn't block this, but maybe I won't show too much of the sample, and then they'll think that it's an original song. So anyways, the vinyl is loaded. Arm the recording. In here, we find our sample under the drum program. It's going to be that new sample, CH. And essentially, we're living here in this first pad bank, right? And the question is, how do you reverse this? If you flip them and change the pitch, we begin to alter the sample and create new vibes. So this is how you do it. So you're in the main menu here. You have your sample here on this drum program, right? Load it up. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on this tab right here, which is Warp Samples. Some options here. Click. Here's our sample here. It's showing our slices. And look, it's actually not that hard. It's right in front of us. It's very simple. Reverse. Now the sample's reversed. And then right here, reverse. Now the sample's reverse. Right here, reverse. Reverse. Here, reverse. Reverse. Now, I like to adjust my pitch.
Lower down, right?
Yeah, let's take it down, lower it down. There is a way to lower all of those samples all at once, but we'll do that in another video. So that's how you reverse samples. It's pretty simple. These are straight still underneath. These are the reverse. Now you make a beat. Let's see if I can make something real quick.